Welcome to Waggle Guides. In today's guide, I'll show you how to quickly turn off location tracking on your Android phone. It's actually very simple to do, but if you've never tried it before, it can feel a little confusing. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, and we'll be finished in less than 2 minutes. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. If you don't immediately see it on your home screen, you can use the search bar on your phone and type Settings to find it quickly. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Location section. When you tap on Location, you'll see whether it's currently turned on, and you may also notice how many apps are actively using your location. If you want to see which specific apps are using location tracking, you can tap on the option that shows all apps with location access. From there, you can manage location permissions for individual apps and turn them off one by one if you prefer more control. However, if you want to completely disable location tracking for all apps at once, simply go back to the main location page and toggle off the switch at the top of the screen. Once you turn it off, Android will disable location services for all apps on your device. After that, you can exit the Settings app by tapping the back arrow or returning to your home screen. And that's it! You've successfully turned off location tracking on your Android phone. I hope you found this guide helpful and learned something new. If you did, consider liking the video or subscribing so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and take care until next time.